The 3 most terrifying military knives in the world. 1. The 81217 military knife. This military knife is considered a soldier's most reliable companion for jungle survival and harsh environments. The U.S. military even refers to it as an immortal hero. First introduced during World War II, this cold weapon has been widely used by U.S. forces for over half a century, participating in countless battles and achieving legendary status. What makes this knife so fearsome is its razor-sharp blade, crafted from high-strength steel. It features a 0.5 cm wide blood groove and a razor-like chisel-tip blade, capable of penetrating a target 4 to 5 centimeters deep, delivering an instantly fatal blow. To this day, this military knife remains in service with U.S. Special Forces. 2. The Tactical Combat Knife. This exquisite military knife is produced by the renowned Italian blade manufacturer Fox Knives. It is compact and lightweight, with a handle made from high insulation materials that provide a comfortable, non-slip grip. The knife features a short, high-strength alloy blade that boasts exceptional toughness and hardness. Currently, this knife is issued to Italian Special Forces and is one of the most favored knives among elite soldiers. Its most lethal feature is a 1 cm long serrated spine, which delivers secondary damage to the target upon impact. 3. The Tri-Edge military knife, triangular bayonet. Forged from alloy steel, this bayonet features a unique 3-sided structure with wide, deep blood grooves, designed to maximize damage when stabbing an enemy. Upon penetration, the triangular blade creates an enormous wound, 10 times larger than a regular knife wound, causing severe bleeding that is nearly impossible to stop through conventional methods, rendering the enemy incapacitated almost instantly. Additionally, during the smelting process, a small amount of arsenic was historically added to extend the knife's lifespan. If the protective coating on the blade wears off and the bayonet pierces flesh, it could lead to infection, contributing to the infamous rumor that the Type 56 bayonet was a poisoned blade. These terrifying military knives are feared for their deadly efficiency and brutal combat effectiveness.